You have questions about carpet cleaning. And we have answers. You want to know: is it really worth it to get carpet professionally cleaned? One of the best reasons is for the appearance. Professional cleaners have the expertise and equipment to keep your carpet looking like new for its entire life. Professional cleaning also offers health benefits. The fibers in carpet not only collect dust, but also allergens, bacteria and pollens. And more, even uglier stuff, off the bottom of your shoes. Another reason for professional cleaning is it will save you money. Properly maintained carpet will last years longer. And you know that quality carpet isn't cheap. So is professional carpet cleaning worth it? Absolutely. You should schedule routine professional cleaning for your carpet's appearance, for the health benefits, and the extra longevity which will save you money. It is always worthwhile to get your carpet cleaned professionally. And it should be done annually, at least. It's the smart choice. It pays to call a pro.